Hey there! Welcome to Health Plus. Begin your day on the right foot. Consider this the next time you rush out the door in the morning without something to eat. Skipping breakfast can lead to binging later in the day. A healthy breakfast, on the other hand, provides energy, satisfies your appetite, and sets the stage for wise decisions throughout the day. 1. Bananas. Nothing beats a banana for breakfast to stave off those mid-morning cravings. The yellow fruit, especially when it's still a little green, is a great source of resistant starch, a healthy carbohydrate that keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Slice it up and add it to cereal or oatmeal, Giovinazzo suggests. It will add sweetness, so you may not need to add any additional sugar. Bananas are a particularly good choice for people with hypertension because they contain a healthy dose of potassium, an electrolyte that naturally lowers blood pressure. 2. Eggs. Eggs were once frowned upon due to their natural high dietary cholesterol content. One yolk contains approximately 60% of your daily allotment, but they are now recognized as a healthy source of protein and nutrients such as vitamin D. Why the 180-degree turn? According to research, the cholesterol in our food has less of an effect on blood cholesterol than previously thought. If you eat a lot of lean proteins and don't eat a lot of fat and cholesterol, eggs are a great thing to have in your diet, says Giovinazzo. The American Heart Association recommends that people with normal cholesterol consume no more than 300 milligrams of cholesterol per day. 3. Watermelon. As its name suggests, watermelon is an excellent way to hydrate in the morning. This juicy fruit is also among the best sources of lycopene, a nutrient found in red fruits and vegetables that's important for vision, heart health, and cancer prevention. 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is an old-fashioned breakfast option. Oatmeal is more than just low in calories and high in complex carbohydrates. Oats contain beta-glucan, a type of fiber that has been shown to lower cholesterol when consumed on a regular basis. Do you need another reason to get started? Oats also have a high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, folate, and potassium. Steel-cut oats, which take about 15 minutes to cook, have more fiber than rolled or instant oats, but any type of oatmeal is healthy. Just avoid the flavored varieties, which can be high in sugar. Instead, top your bowl with fruit and nuts and sweeten it with milk and honey. 5. Yogurt. This tangy, creamy type of yogurt is loaded with calcium and boasts plenty of protein, nearly twice as much as regular yogurt, to keep you feeling full throughout the morning. Your best bet: choose a plain, non-fat variety and add some fruit to give it some sweetness and flavor, and a dose of added nutrition. I love Greek yogurt because it's really quick and easy, says Giovinazzo. You can always take it with you on your way out the door. 6. Grapefruit. Grapefruit made the list of healthy breakfast foods because of its effect on blood sugar and insulin levels. Grapefruit is also hydrating, filling, and high in antioxidants that boost immunity. Giovinazzo recommends pairing it with protein, such as yogurt or an egg, for a well-rounded breakfast. However, if you take any medications, consult your doctor first, as grapefruit and grapefruit juice can interact with some prescription drugs. 7. The almond butter. Don't consume eggs or dairy products. Almond butter is a high-protein alternative that is also high in monounsaturated fat, one of the good fats. It's really delicious spread on whole grain bread or paired with a banana or an apple, Giovinazzo adds. In terms of nutrition, almond butter is comparable to peanut butter. Both contain about 100 calories per tablespoon. Almond butter, on the other hand, contains slightly less saturated fat, a definite advantage, even for those who aren't allergic to peanuts. 8. Flaxseed. By sprinkling ground flaxseed into a smoothie or bowl of cereal, you can turn your breakfast into a gold mine of omega-3 fatty acids. Just 2 tablespoons contains more than 100% of your daily recommended intake for those heart-healthy fats. Flaxseed, which has a nutty flavor, is also high in fiber and lignin, an antioxidant that has been linked to breast cancer prevention. A word of caution: whole flax seeds will pass through your body undigested, so buy them ground or grind them yourself using a coffee or spice grinder. 9. Strawberries. Berries are superfoods because they are high in antioxidants while being low in calories, says Giovinazzo. 1 cup of strawberries, for example, contains your daily vitamin C requirement, as well as significant amounts of folic acid and fiber. Strawberries are also good for your heart. Over an 18-year period, women who ate more than 3 servings of strawberries or blueberries per week were less likely to have a heart attack, according to one study. Strawberries, like blueberries, are high in anthocyanins. 10. Blueberries. These tiny superfruits, whether fresh or frozen, pack a powerful antioxidant punch. Blueberries have been shown in studies to improve everything from memory and motor skills to blood pressure and metabolism. Wild blueberries, in particular, have one of the highest concentrations of anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants. Blueberries have fewer calories than many other fruits, they contain just 80 per cup. 11. Coffee. Cold brew coffee isn't your typical iced Java. It's made by steeping ground coffee in cold water, which, according to enthusiasts, makes for a more flavorful, less bitter coffee. It's also one of the easiest ways to make a cup of joe. 12. Tea. Not a coffee drinker? Tea also has an impressive list of health benefits. It hydrates you more effectively than coffee because it contains less caffeine, and it's also high in the immunity-boosting antioxidants known as catechins. Although all teas, black, green, and white, contain antioxidants, green tea may be the healthiest of all. According to research, drinking 5 cups of coffee per day can boost your metabolism and help you lose weight around your midsection. 13. The juice of oranges. Fresh squeezed orange juice is a classic and tasty morning beverage, but it can be made even healthier. Choose a vitamin D fortified store-bought variety for added nutritional value. Along with fatty fish and fortified milk, fortified orange juice is one of the few dietary sources of vitamin D, which has been linked to a lower risk of osteoporosis, depression, and certain cancers. Whichever OJ you prefer, Giovinazzo recommends 1 small glass per day. She claims that fruit juice is high in calories and sugar and should not be substituted for whole fruit in your diet. 14. The juice of cranberries. Cranberry juice is best known for preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, as it may help limit bacterial growth. However, its healing abilities may not be limited to that. The tart juice appears to be beneficial to cardiovascular health as well. However, as with OJ, you should limit yourself to small servings. Cranberry juice, not to be confused with cranberry juice cocktail, is less sugary than other fruit juices, but its high acidity can sometimes contribute to bladder problems other than UTIs. 15. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. According to Giovinazzo, any fruit is a good addition to your breakfast, and cantaloupe is no exception. A 6-ounce serving, roughly a quarter of a melon, contains only 50 calories and 100% of your daily vitamin C and A requirements, making it an important nutrient for smooth, younger-looking skin. Cantaloupe, like most melons, has a high water concentration, which means it will keep you hydrated and full until lunchtime. 16. Cereal. Because there are so many different kinds of cereal out there, warns Giovinazzo, your best bet is probably something with at least 5 grams of fiber and less than 5 grams of sugar. This winning combination can be found in many whole grain or bran cereals, such as shredded wheat, which are often fortified with riboflavin, folic acid, and other essential nutrients. Finish with skim milk and fruit for the full package, whole grains to fill you up, protein to keep you going all day, and antioxidants to keep your immune system running smoothly. 17. Kiwi. This fuzzy little fruit has about 65 milligrams of vitamin C per serving, nearly as much as an orange. It's also rich in potassium and copper and contains more fiber per ounce than a banana, which makes it a super aid to digestion. In one study, eating 2 kiwis a day for 1 month lessened constipation in people with irritable bowel syndrome. Kiwis are slightly tart. They're delicious by themselves, but if you prefer a sweeter flavor, try mixing them with strawberries and bananas in a smoothie or fruit salad. 18. Raspberries. Raspberries contain elagitannins, a type of antioxidant thought to be cancer-fighting. They're also high in fiber, 8 grams per cup, vitamin C, and vitamin K, which aids in bone development. Although fresh raspberries are available all year, frozen raspberries are less expensive and have the same nutritional value during the off-season. They're great as a topping for cereal or yogurt, or blended into a smoothie for a quick, on-the-go breakfast. 19. Whole grain bread. Carbohydrates are a breakfast staple, but the type of carbohydrate you choose can have a significant impact on the overall health of your meal. The simple rule is that whole wheat and other whole grains, whether in bread, toast, or English muffins, contain more fiber and nutrients than white, refined grains. What you put on your bread is also important. Slathering your toast with butter or jelly adds empty fat and calories, Giovinazzo says. Instead, add an egg or some almond butter to get some protein. 20. Legumes. Legumes such as chickpeas, garbanzo beans, are a great healthy snack item that can actually provide a lot of flavor depending on how you prepare them. I like making jalapeno cilantro hummus, or even roasting whatever peppers are in season and incorporating those into a hummus. Using the hummus as simply a healthy dip or to add a flavor profile to any wrap or sandwich instead of a mayonnaise-based spread can result in a healthy, savory meal. These are the healthiest foods you should take before beginning your day.